Dear students, now take next topic, and this next topic is Prashastis and land grants. While reading this topic, we find many historical context. So in this reference, many questions can be formed to understand this topic properly. So let's think regarding this. What do you mean by Prashastis? What do you mean by Prashastis? Prashastis contain details about the kings or rulers that tell us how rulers wanted to depict themselves as valiant, victorious warriors. Here it is necessary to mention that Prashastis may not be true completely. And in this reference, another question can be formed: who composed Prashastis? Prashastis composed by Brahmans. And in this reference, we have to mention about Nagbhat. Who was Nagbhat? Nagbhat was a Pratihar king. One Prashasti written in Sanskrit found in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh describes the achievements and works of Nagbhat. Now we have to think about the land grants. You can read a description at page number 20 here. This is part of Tamil section of a land grant given by the Cholas. You should know, kings often rewarded Brahmans by grants of land. These grants of land were recorded on copper plates. You can see here, this is copper plates. These are copper plates. You can see here. And these are set of copper plates. So these grants of land were recorded on copper plates. So next we have to mention about the sources of irrigation. List all the possible sources of irrigation mentioned in the inscription and discuss how these might have been used. The possible sources of irrigation mentioned in the inscription are wells, canals, ditches, and rivers, etc. Canals were constructed to carry water to the fields in the delta regions. Huge tanks were also constructed to collect rainwater. Wells were also dug. Now we have to discuss about the Kalhad. So put a question: who was Kalhad? Kalhad was a Kashmiri author who wrote Rajtarangadi in 12th century. Rajtarangadi is an account of history of Kashmir. He wrote a long Sanskrit poem between 1148 to 1149 AD. He used Many sources such as inscriptions, documents, eyewitness accounts to write his account. Now we have to discuss about the some keywords from this topic, Prasasti and land grants. Exploits. Exploits means heroic achievements that can be work. Ant hills, a kind of nest that ants build out of dirt or sand. Silt laden land, marshy land, this is called daldali land. And embankment. Embankment means a large amount of something to shut in water. Students, I have discussed the topic Prasasti and land grants. Thanks.